So cholesterol is a waxy fatty substance that is manufactured in the body but also absorbed from the foods we eat. Now we think of cholesterol as something which is bad, but actually cholesterol is good at certain levels and is an essential building block for cells in the body, but also important for production of hormones in the body. Now what you may not know is that cholesterol, the bulk of cholesterol, is not from the foods we eat, but is manufactured in the liver. About 75% of cholesterol is made in the liver. The remainder, about 20 to 25%, comes from the foods that we eat. So here's our food. And this is predominantly from animal fats, saturated fats. These can also be transported to the liver. Now, triglycerides are other circulating fatty substances that are also important in the body. They transfer and store energy for exercising muscles and other cells. Triglycerides predominantly come from foods, particularly sugars, carbohydrates, alcohol. These can be transported to the liver, and along with cholesterol can be incorporated into bundles called lipoproteins, which are combinations of fats and proteins. Triglycerides can also then be transported to fat cells, where they can be stored for use at a later time. Now, as I mentioned, cholesterol and triglycerides are important to some level, but as with many things in life, too much of a good thing can go bad. And high amounts of cholesterol can be taken up by arteries throughout the body, and some of these may be in the legs or the brain or in the heart. And plaque can build up in the artery, and this plaque is called atherosclerosis. If this obstructs the blood flow in the artery, symptoms can develop, like chest pain or pain in the legs with walking. And if these become disrupted and a clot forms and completely blocks the artery, this can lead to very bad things like heart attack or stroke.